it's time to build the store itself. Go ahead and click the second link in the video description, and that's going to take you to the AI Store Builder app. This is what's going to design your store for you in just a few minutes and get everything else set up for you. And then once you've clicked on that second link, you'll be brought to this page here. So to install the third-party app, click on Try Atlas for free. Then go to the left-hand side and click on Install. Then go ahead and click on Install again. This will install the Atlas AI Store Builder app to your Shopify account. And after it's done installing, go to the left-hand side here and click on this little pin icon. This will pin it to your navigation so it's always easy for you to access. And now with that done, let me show you how to use this app to generate your entire store using AI. So the first step, go down here and click on Start Setup. Then we'll make sure that Generate Store is selected. Then we'll click on Next. And here we'll need to choose a product source. And as you can see here, we have 4 different options. So let's start by talking about the Shopify product source. And this is the product source for most people that becomes the most confusing. If you've already manually added your own products into your Shopify account, and you can do that by going to the top left here and clicking on products. And once you click on that, you'll be able to add your own products into your Shopify account. And then back on Atlas here, when I click on Shopify, I'm able to select my own products and use this as my product source. And with this selected, Atlas is now going to use my own product to generate my store. So in the event that you aren't dropshipping or you're selling your own products, this is how you generate a store based on your product. For this video, I'm not going to be using this example product, so I'm going to simply close out of this. Now let's talk about the other 3 product source options. Here we have Amazon, Alibaba, and AliExpress. So if you're dropshipping your product, just copy the product link from one of these 3 platforms and then paste it in right here. So in my case, I'm going to go with the AliExpress product source option. I did some research on the platform and I found this product that I want to start selling. It's this wireless charger stand for your phone. So to generate my store based off of this product, I'm going to go to the top here and copy the product link. Then I'll go back to Shopify and then I'll simply paste in the product link here. With that done, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Proceed. And now Atlas is going to generate my store based off of that product. It's really as easy as that, and this process only takes a few minutes to complete. Now with that done, our store is ready and has been generated for us.